Hello, my name is Garcez. I'm an international speaker and I teach people how to read twice as fast and also engage more with reading books to ignite that passion for reading books. So I speak from stage and it's very important for me to get not only the message across but to get engagement. And Harry became a good friend and I've learned so much from him. Because he's a very positive guy, always smiling, and he's been taking lots of different courses to bring the best in people so we can express with power. And that's one of the reasons I really strongly recommend his workshop, Speakers and Leaders, because he comes with a lot of value and he has time for you, go deeper into sometimes things that you don't even notice are missing and make the whole difference. So if you have the chance of meeting Harry and engaging in one of his workshops, come, it will be unforgettable.